Except it hurts just like that big of a bruise now.
You got a little bit on your mustache.
Oh no, my wife is going to kill me. That's the way I
And my leg.
So we're Madcap brothers. This was the Mexican standoff. So what it was is there were 4 guns. Only 2 of the guns had 2 bullets in each gun, or paint, whatever you want to call it. And I won. Me, the sheriff. Little does he know, the life expectancy of the sheriff is quite low.
About 3 minutes.
Until the next sheriff comes
Christ. Around.